Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting data. Make a full backup to iCloud or an encrypted computer backup so nothing is lost. Once done, go to Settings and turn off Find My on the device you're changing. This prevents activation lock issues. Make sure you sign out of iCloud, iTunes, and App Store on every device where the old Apple ID is active. Also, list subscriptions and purchases tied to the old Apple ID. You will need to manage or migrate them after the switch. Now create the new Apple ID on Apple.id. Apple.com or directly in Settings if you haven't already, use a reachable email and strong password. Once created, sign into iCloud on the device. Settings Sign In, enter the new credentials, and choose whether to merge or replace local data. Merge to keep device content. Then sign into iTunes and App Store with the new ID. After signing in, enable iMessage and FaceTime and reauthorize. Finish by checking Apple.id. Apple.com to confirm devices listed under the new ID and to remove the old Apple ID from any remaining devices. If purchases are missing, set up family sharing between old and new ID or repurchase apps tied to the old account. Some purchases cannot be transferred. If you encounter stuck sign out, activation lock, or verification problems, restart the device, reset network settings, and make sure both accounts can receive verification codes. If that fails, contact Apple support for activation lock recovery.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.